My name is Haseeb Rehman. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to parallel parking using reverse camera of Toyota Yaris Auto. So you first select your indicator and then get your gear to the D for drive and release your handbrake and check the blind spot. Move out carefully from the parking space. There. And park parallel with the car next to you, like how this red car is right now. And select R for reverse. And slowly reverse. Check surroundings for safety, make sure that. And reverse until your mirror is middle of the other car. And turn once to the left. And slowly reverse. Slowly check the other surroundings as I said before. Keep reversing slowly. Until the box line gets to the curb, you stop. There, this one right there. This line. It's on the curb, so you stop. And even check on the side mirror. And turn full lock on the right. There, and you reverse slowly. Keep reversing slowly till the car gets straight. Keep reversing slowly. Slowly. There, the car's straight. So when the car gets straight, you get your wheel 1.5 turn to the left, straight the wheel. And the car straight, pull the handbrake up, set your gear on P. And I hope that you liked my video. Make sure that you like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.